enter at the mall.
Gotta agree. Let's follow them to the mall.
I don't know, since this all seems to be true, trust me when I say we should grab any weapon we can find.
Axe!
Hey, look out! Together.
You do not want to be shooting me. Jesus, the whole country's falling. All right, I'm not walking. Why would you think shooting me is a good idea? Never shoot.
Oh, the smoking guys!
The smoking
What the
thing!
hell is going on? Smokers got me!
Reloading!
Instead of people, okay?
Reloading!
Reloading.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Reloading!
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna fix myself up.
Reloading!
Okay.
Reload!
Reloading!
Reloading!
I don't know who started this shit, but let's just stop the friendly fire right now, okay? I'll hold on to these pills.
This makes you feel better.
Okay.
Come on,
I'm trying
y'all.
some
None of
first
that.
aid.
Reloading here!
Name's Nick. Anyone get bit? Isn't that how this works?
Hey, name's Rochelle. You?
Alice. Pleasure to meet you, Rochelle.
Oh, hell, gonna try to heal myself. I bet there's gonna be some way. Guns! Down here. Guns here. Got some chest battles. Hey, we got a safe room right ahead. Reloading. 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 Shoot this thing on my back! Shoot this thing off my back!
Kid, get inside!
We are the kings of the world!